we are in the bathroom. How are you doing? Had to not brush it for a couple of days. It wasn't even braids, I kind of twisted it. It wasn't really braids technically, but you know, here we are. So we're here to dye our hair. I have my little heater next to me, faithful heater, because this bathroom is not big, but it's too big for this little guy to keep it warm. So like we have to, so hopefully you can't hear it. I don't know. The thing is, I tried to dye my hair red and it didn't really go that great. I didn't really see it. So what I did is I found, did some research, TikTok, and then I found this brand. I mean, not the brand, I know the brand, but like this collection, I don't know. So I have one that is like pure red. I don't know which one it is because it's just numbers. I think it's this one, and then I have like a red, like a brown with like red undertones. So like you have to mix these two with this thing, and when it arrived I was like, oh my god, what is this? It's huge. I really wasn't expecting it to be this big. So you have to do like some math and stuff. Hopefully I am not going to mess up my hair. I've never done this. I've only done like store-bought hair dyes. So I need my phone to check out the recipe. I did it some time ago, but I forgot it, and I had a screenshot that I couldn't find. So we're going to ask ChatGPT. Let's take a photo. All right. Oh, it's blurry. Okay. I'll be back. Here's my setup in case you wanted to see. Okay, so I got my recipe. Hopefully it's not a recipe for disaster. Wow. So poetic. I'm getting hot from this thing. Need to charge my phone. I'm a bit pissed actually. I had a conversation with my mom right before doing this, and I wanted to tell her I was gonna do that, but then she kind of annoyed me, so I didn't tell her. Alright, so apparently I have to start with middle and then go to my roots because my roots are virgin and this has been through a lot. Lower section I've done red, then black, then dark brown, and back to red. Actually, I wanted to only do red, but I had my wedding in the meantime, so I didn't want to have red hair for my wedding. So I had to like dye it closer to my natural colors. I really wanted like a cherry red, but I know it's not what I'm gonna get. But like my hair is pretty dark, so I'm not too scared. I know it's not gonna be horrible. So I have a scale here. We're gonna put it flat with a low bowl, and then what do you mean LO? What does the LO stand for? And then we are going to go with a 588. This guy, 60 grams of this. I am scared. Yeah. 60 seems like a lot. Like, should I like half it? We've got 31 half-ish, and then let's do half of 15, which is like 7.5. Let's do 8 because I have 31. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's actually already changing color. The color is scaring me a bit. Oh god, we got 40. It's okay, it's too much. No, stop, 40. I have these. So they're in a plastic bag. And then they're in another plastic bag. I kind of like this one, but I'm going to go with the middle one. I have no idea what I'm doing. I think you have to mix this first. My little mixture. It's like very dark purple. I don't know if it's... Holy... Wow. I'm gonna open the window. Oh my god. It's for professional use, by the way. Don't do this. You should not do this. Is red dye supposed to look purple? How do hairdressers do this? Honestly, it's stinky as hell. Oh my god. I have to add 75, so like half of 75 is what? Half of 75, 37. So like 38 of this. What I said, 38? Is that what I said? Don't it. 38. Here we go. I am scared. The rest of the mixture. Ooh, it's turning red-ish. It's very cabbage. I kind of like it. This is fun. I really want to like a side job from like my main 9 to 5 because I haven't made any money from YouTube yet. I'm not saying you should subscribe, but like you should. And I'm like really like, god, how many filler words are in this sentence? I want to find another like type of job that is not an office job. I'm like, this is kind of cool. I want to be a hairdresser. This is cool. Excuse me. Then I have to start from, let me just remove these guys. I don't know why it's so purple, like, I don't understand. Let me take a picture. Let me vlog this, multitask.
I'm literally cringing at myself.
This thing keeps falling when I try to make it hold, but when I don't, it just does not want to let go. Like, she's cute. She's a very aubergine. So this is gonna be a section. I feel like there isn't enough product, but
I wonder if I could have doubled the amount.
It's not that easy. Can I just do it with my hands? Already. It is red. Oh my god, look. Kind of looks like a bruise, but it is red. Oh shit, that scared the shit out of me. Someone's calling me at not the right time. So this goes up. But I kind of like the feedback from the camera. It's really nice because it helps me have another point of view. So I don't mess up too bad. Like, I always watch those like hair dye videos and it's so satisfying, but like they have the craziest results. It's so gorgeous every time. I think I should have listened to ChatGPT. Doesn't look like I have enough product.
I wonder if I could have doubled the
Next time
amount.
I can maybe remake another version for like the roots later. I'm just gonna do half this section with you and then I'll stop recording up because it's, like I said, not that interesting. It's staining red. It's staining red. Oh my god. Can go here. Oh, this is nice. I think. No, it's not. Okay, sorry. Okay, on the front, you can clearly see, like, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but oh my god. You can see, like, the transition. I had a knot here. I was freaking out. I thought it was like falling off. This for this section, and I'm going to do the other part and I'll be back to redo the roots. Okay, it's starting to get really red now and I should have listened to the AI out of color, so I'm gonna redo a little mix. I'm gonna try not to stain this thing. We'll listen this time. 30 like is literally the whole thing. No way I'm getting 30. I have 15. I thought it was gonna be more than enough. I have 20. But like I will have so much of this concentrate and like nothing of the base color. 26, okay, whatever. And then we'll listen this 25 of this guy. Didn't have, I did 26, so I have 1 gram extra for the color and the developer, I think. When my mom used to dye her hair, I mean she still does actually, she always like puts some like moisturizer on her forehead so like it doesn't stain. I don't have any, so I'm gonna go ahead with face mask. Gonna look crazy. I just don't want my forehead to be red for the next week. I look insane. Anyways, oh, I can squeeze out a little bit more. I'm back from the slaughter. So it's been a little less than 10 minutes, but it's Halloween and I can't keep walking around like this. Kind of the same, which is a good thing. Sections first, because if I don't have enough, then it's gonna be very annoying. I feel like it's more visible here. Move the section. Has become very red. I'm a bit scared, to be honest. I wanted to do some on my eyebrows as well, but I think it's the last thing I'm gonna do if I have enough. This side seems pretty good. Put it up for now. So I'm just gonna try to like rub all the product I have left. I think this section is still lacking a bit. I also want to do my eyebrows. And then I think I'm gonna go with a Q-tip to like remove the excess. I don't know why I'm saying this as if I'm giving you advice. I have no clue what I'm doing, guys. Set a timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes starting now.
If this doesn't come out red, I don't know what to do. Some water and really like remove all this craziness before it sets. Seems like it's a bit late already. I think for my eyebrows, actually, I'm gonna do like maybe 7. Actually, no, I'm gonna leave it for like 10 minutes. It can't be that bad, can it? feel like it hasn't really had time to do its thing, but I got scared. It's not a dye I've ever used, so like I don't really know what to expect. Okay, it's night time now. Literally, I am shocked. Like, it was summer a couple of weeks ago. Like, what the hell is going on? Let's see. Oh, wow. It looks very red. No stains. I had to like rinse it for so long. Oh my god, it's very red. I filmed one of these like not that long ago and it wasn't this red. So I wanted to like blow dry it tomorrow, but I think I'm gonna do it today because I really want to see what it looks like. My eyebrows aren't too crazy, so that's nice. There's still some product on my skin. Okay, first of all, my protection work. I think that the roots are just a little too bright, although like I kept the product for like way less time on the roots. I don't really know if it's gonna like fade, but I'll show you when like my makeup is done and everything is done. Honestly, I kind of love it. I'm proud of myself. I did it by myself. So I'm just gonna leave it be for tonight and I'll see you probably in the week when I go to work. Bye.